now is a good stage to move to the next topic. So imagine that, as you have seen, we have created a very simple example, and we have managed to get the functionality from our tool, from our H2O GPTe, and we are happy with that. But let's say that now we want to productionize this. Imagine that you receive texts like the one that we analyzed several times per day, and you don't want to chat with the text and the replies every day in order to get what you want. So you can use a Python API that the tool has. More information can be found down here. Essentially what you need is to create a new key. I'm not going to show it now for security reasons, and then use that key to connect to from Python code to the tool. As you can see here, there is documentation, and there is even an example code down here. So I have a Jupyter notebook open, and I will try to share the screen with these two windows. Okay, very good. So as you can see here, we are installing H2O GPTe, the library, and then we're connecting. So I have run these cells already. So since I am connected already, I can do things like, okay, give me what are the LLMs that are available in my tool. Then what I'm going to do is, these are simple Python codes and Pandas codes, that what I want to do is open, read the file that has all the questions, the replies in there. And I'm going to merge all the answers to one file, which I'm going to call it replies.txt. Now, and here is where the API, we start using the API. Here you will see that we use the client that we have connected to, right? And we start doing things which are similar to the buttons that we have here. So on the left hand side, I'm going to go here. I'm just going to go through collections, right? And when I run this, a collection will be created here with the name I have given, demo Python client, right? Then what we can do is upload the file to the collection. Again, it takes some time, but it's going to be done in a couple of seconds. And it's there, all right? And what we do is we start a chat session, right? And we start the chat session. Fortunately, I can't see a refresh button here. This is the chat, and essentially what we're doing in the chat is we're saying, look, by using this LLM, I want to ask this question, which is similar to with the example that we gave before, maybe a little bit more tuned to get exactly what we want, and we'll start the chat. So if we go here, we'll be able to see the chat. We don't have to be here. I'm just showing you essentially how the code in the Python API creates everything that we create before manually. And this is what we wanted to extract, and this is what we want to create, is a Python list that then Python will be able to use this and do several things in an app. So in the next stage, Loren will show you how, by using the API, someone can create a wave app that will present what they want, but in a way that the app will be used by non-data scientists, by the business users, your colleagues in your environment.